Guys, time check. It's 6:05 in the morning. And we don't have power. It cut back again last night. Like about 8:30. 8:30 at night. Kape muna tayo, guys. Kape, kape. This is outrageous for me. Actually, guys, I don't know what they are doing. I'm confused. And it's like almost 40 degrees. So I know, guys, it's so dark, but I just want for you guys to see me at least. Ayan lang ang ating ilaw. Yan. So luckily, we are smart enough that we bought a lot yesterday. And talagang I'm just wondering why they're doing this. And it's kind of like S. My husband said it's kind of S because wala namang wala nang snow. The first time they did this, it was the other day. And it's not even 1 inch of a snow. Morning, Baba. Why you awake so early? Kising na agad si Tay-Tay. Huh?
Sorry, but I don't really have a time when I wake up at a random time.
Say good morning to everybody.
Good morning. We have no lights.
What do you say?
We have no lights.
I can't hear you. What did you say?
We have no lights over here. Power went off last night. We are thinking that every 15 and a half hours to 16 hours the power will back on and off until the snow's gonna be gone.
So, okay guys, we're making a French toast. Using olive oil. Babe, the fire. It's salami, guys. Salami.
Hi.
Pangaunta, guys. Pangaunta. Alam mo naman, mayroon pa kaming bahaw. Tapos, nagprito ako ng scrambled egg. Kamay tayo, guys. Malamig na panahon. Tira-tira lang sa akin, guys. Okay na ako.
Jelly bread.
He has jelly bread. And then he finished his eggs. Ako bahaw lang. Sarap mang kamay. Sarap, may tuyo. Kaya daing.
Mom has eggs and rice.
Yes.
And we also have salami.
Oh yeah, we have salami. Siguro guys, yung kanin ko naman, mga 2 kutsara lang. Busog na ako dun. Finish your water. And we're using bottled water because wala kaming tubig running from the fridge. Walang kuryente, no power, right?
It keeps flickering on and off. About 15.5 hours. Gonna wash my hands, guys.
Molly. Molly. Hey. No. Focus. Focus. Sit. Sit. No ADD. Paw. 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 Hey. Molly. Molly. Sit. Look at me. Hey. Molly. Look. It's here. Come here. Sit. Sit. No, no, you sit. You sit. Sit, girl. Molly, sit. Sit. No, you sit. We're gonna do this until you sit. Go, hey, stay. Hey. Stay. Molly, do you want this? Good girl. Stay. Stay. Look. Stay. 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 Okay, just get it. Get it. You get a C+. We're gonna do that again later.
Nako guys, nandito kami sa sasakyan. For some reason, ewan ko kung bakit dito lang sa driveway umabot yung signal. Pero napakalamig dito, hindi kami pwede magstay. So yan, may in-update ako. Nataranta ako, pero salamat sa Diyos at natapos. Naayos ko, naasikaso ko. We still don't have power. Yan. We have receiving emergency alert, guys. Time check, it's I think 2:30. Sorry guys, mali yung time ko kasi kababalik lang ng ilaw namin ng kuryente. We just back our power. So quick update guys. It's around 2:30 in the morning. I think we got our power back around 1 in the morning. And then yung anak ko, my son, he just fall asleep. We sleep here in the living room for tonight. And thank God we got our power back. And you know, it's still cold. So here guys, we sleeping in the living room. We assume that we're not gonna get power, but then luckily we have it. Thank God. Thank the Lord. Go back to sleep, baby. So time check guys, it's 3:33 a.m. So we still have power. And I'm taking the chance. I'm charging my laptop. I'm charging some of our device. And I'm just being prepared in case that we don't have power again later. I don't know if we're still in rotational right now, but yeah, I'm just being prepared right now.
guys, this is how I mop.
Good job. We got the spamless and sodium. So look at here, guys. Everything is sold out. Oh my god, there's totally out of bread over here. It's crazy. We're here at Target.
$27.60.
Alright. Buti dito sa sa may League City at Target, walang pila ang grocery nila. Just letting you guys know, if you are in the area at League City, they have plenty of grocery, but they don't have bottle of water, so we're still checking. See you guys in a bit. They're out of stock, but they have plenty of water. Look, they have plenty of water though. Like, look at here, guys. You know why, baby? It's spoiled. That's why they're not selling. Yeah, it is spoiled. Yeah, it's spoiled.
Yeah.
That makes sense, guys. It's spoiled. That's why they're out. No power.
Well, at least we got the water.
Do we need Gatorade?
How about Gatorade? You want it?
Yes.
Green on.
Yeah, you with olive. Yeah, maybe if they have that. Bit here, and we're calling the Papa. You can go ahead, ma'am. And we're calling the Papa John's now. Yeah. So guys, we went to Target and we went here at Aldi's. Luckily, they have piled up of water. They got plenty. So we got 2. Ayan. Tapos kumuha na rin kami ng groceries. We got so lucky in here, guys. If you are guys around League City, go here at Aldi's. They got plenty. Diba? Loaded kami ng grocery dito. You guys it like? This is the 2021 new outfit.
Everybody's going crazy.
This gonna be sold out big fast.
Oh, definitely.
Definitely, right? You agree?
One step more and now we're far from everything we had.